And we're back here with my layout. We're going to try to show you a little bit more about what I've got here. We'll start here at the coal mine. We'll kind of follow the end of this train around. Oop, a little plywood there, and my lunch. And we got the town with its lights on. Ooh, anybody need a little Coke? Yep, looks like the cops are in town. Okay. Yep, somebody must be moving out of the neighborhood. Okay. So we'll keep going around here. We're back to the undecorated part of the layout. We've got the engines facilities and some track cleaning stuff. Here comes the train again. Some more plywood. No, I got a little friend that his mom was over visiting my wife, and he picked up my train magazine and got real interested in it, so I'm putting some stuff together to get him started in the hobby. This is the grade that goes from the back of my layout up to the top. Okay, we come around to the back of the coal mine here. We got some. Oh, we've got some lights out. We'll go over here and look at these. Some signal lights, and the lights are on in the yard. We've got a crew cleaning up some stuff here. And let's slip up to the top deck here. Oop, TV's on. I got some trees that I could get made. And part of my warehouse complex is in the wrong spot. More tools, more stuff to build, more trees to paint. Here's what they look like when they come out of the garden, and here's what they look like when they get done. So, jump back down here. I tried a little experiment with this one, putting two together. I don't know if I like that or not. But we'll go around here, coming up to my yard. Got a passing siding on the back. A couple engines that Murphy was dealing with today. Couldn't get them to run worth beans. I don't know. Ran out of space on the other one. I had to start over. Some of my yard, some of the engines that are sitting in here. A couple first custom painted engine I made. The excursion train's out running today. Haven't decided if I'm going to put a tunnel in there or not. And this is where the excursion train lives. Got a little English tea house. We must be close to Sodor. Oh, hey, look at that. It's Percy. And if I was running him, you'd see his eyes move. So, a lot of work to be done yet. If you look inside there, you can see a little Coke machine in there. It'll look better if I get some lights in there. And then we got that. That is my biggest problem. How to get around a duck under.